Let's get this thing turned on and see what we got. Check it out. I got some Humsienk 5120 watt hour 51.2 volt 100 amp hour batteries. Y'all, this is the smart edition, so it's got an app and all of that to it, and this BMS is 100 amps. One of the other things I like about it is it's got the 2 terminals for the negatives and the positive. That's what we ended up doing yesterday. What we want to do now is connect this box to this panel, and we're going to use number 6 wire. Yeah, that's nice. Let's get this thing turned on and see what we got. And we're gonna turn that on. That thing turned on. Yeah, baby. Everybody's on and drawing power out this thing, y'all.